Yep, it is raining. It finally called us. Who I got?
You got Stephanie.
Okay. All right, here we go.
All right. Y'all ready? Here we go. All right. Right, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Lappydog. And I'm gonna sing the song for you. It's You're gonna learn a thing or two. We're having fun now. We're staying all the game. Learning from each other while we do our thing. Yeah.
All right, we got it.
Okay.
See how these waterproof socks was. I know I didn't want to try it out, but I guess I ain't got no choice. I'm about to rethink my cold rain gear. Should have brought my damn insulated fucking pants that's water, you know. That damn, what you call it, coveralls on top of them damn, that freeze out. Good gracious. I couldn't breathe. That was kinda restricted me.
Yeah, that was an intense ride.
She'll be pretty slow down through here. Oh, damn it, we stopped.
We what?
Stopped. God, okay. Shit.
Run out of gas on this shit.
Shit, just went on down. You know the way we came in, remember?
Yeah.
That truck gonna let us all go? You reckon? I'm just about to turn around and go back up the ramp.
Left lane closed.
Did Rita say what was her problem?
Who?
Rita.
Her glasses was fogging.
Oh, okay.
They kept fogging up.
Yeah, that's a problem. Does your thing, you got your blinker on somebody, who was that, Ron?
No, it ain't me.
Does your center tell you what the percentage of charge you got?
No, it'll just say low battery. It'll say it like 3 times, and then it'll cut off.
Yeah, it cut off. Maybe it got enough to get you up here, I don't know.
Was the light still red when you unplugged it? Do you know?
Yeah, it was still red.
Okay.
It was red. It drops down the percentage later on, so hopefully it'll.
With the rain percentage?
Yeah. Steffi.
I'm here.
Huh.
I thought I heard somebody else. Like,
That-
who's that?
That was Chris and Kevin. They was on here.
Oh.
I don't know why you popped out. Don't know. Look at this little piece of lane right here closed. Ain't that about a bitty? I'm glad it opened back up. Shit, that motherfucker, the rain got harder when we got past that. I-26 westbound. That's mile marker 40.
I can feel it.
Hope we can run out of this mess.
I need to run out of this. It ain't comfortable to me.
Now, if you need to, I pay for a room if you want to. Ain't no need in risking the damn lives now. If you get down here and you feel too squirrely, let me know, okay?
Okay. I will.
I think it seems like it's on me. If they want to continue on, that's on them. But I would feel a lot better if it was dry.
Yeah.
Dark don't bother me. Dry. Yeah, you might be able to make it all the way without having to get no gas, but if you do, that's fine.
Yeah. I figure if I have to get gas, it'll be close to home.
Oh yeah, we'd be on the other side of that mountain anyway.
Yeah. That.
Huh?
Thought I heard like screeching tires.
Oh, you heard my CB?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm on the company channel that we run on at Food Line. See if I can catch some of the guys going down. We might take that mic gain of yours and turn it down the other way. I can hear the rain hitting your windshield.
Really?
Uh-huh. You take that.
Yeah, I can't feel nothing with this glove.
Hell no, I couldn't even call nobody. I was like, damn, I can't do nothing with these damn things on. I can answer a phone, hit that button on the back, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I wonder we'd be better in the damn right-hand lane or the left. What do you think?
I don't know. I just hate looking in my fucking mirror, bright ass light.
Oh,
I need to do one, either nighttime or rain, not both.
yeah, they pride themselves on bright light, but they gotta dim them down, you know. You can't even look to change the lane.
Yeah, we was on the road. Pam texted me. I texted her back. She was seeing if we had made it home.
Oh, okay. Oh, Pam. Yeah, she's got Rodney's attention pretty good. Yeah, I guess she's pretty helpful.
Yeah, she was looking for some decorations for his house. She said something about the man cave, and I said, no, you have to leave that alone.
Oh, yeah, let him do that.
Especially if he letting you mess with the rest of the house, leave that alone.
Mm-hmm. Could have got him a damn clothing optional. Them old green
Yeah.
Key West clothing optional. I hate to even come this way. I feel like I'm at work. It must hell been on getting the KJ.
Uh-huh. Teresa's to the party.
To a party, huh? Party animal.
Ooh, that was a big deer.
You seen one?
Yeah, dead. He was fresh.
Oh, dead, okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, dead. I'm sorry.
I don't see him much right here, but I see him back the other way. Herds. I started to put my little warm stuff on, but I ain't cold. Just wet.
Just wet, yeah.
I'm about ready to drop this damn windshield. My windshield pulling up. It ain't rolling off. This construction in a minute.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.